that will really ruin your day there. Oh, I wonder if he's on his way to the RV show.
Here, and I'm Carrie.
Hey, welcome to the Art of RVing, and we are headed out to the
RV show, the Dallas Super Sale, I think it's called. So we'll see you there.
The what? The Dallas? Is that what you said?
Yeah, the Dallas Super Sale.
Yeah, we're excited about it. So I want you to come join us, and away we go to the video because you're gonna love this. What do earplugs and my dog Oscar and the RV show all have in common? Wait till the end and you're gonna find out. So here we are about an hour into our trip, and the lady that I love, Miss Carrie's over there. She got her, this is how she does it. She's always piled up, got all her stuff going, got her water down here.
Got my blanket, my calendar.
She likes a calendar. Like a regular calendar. Paper calendar, she likes that. So we're about an hour in, it's about time to get some coffee. Okay, so we stopped. This is our favorite place, Collins Street Bakery. Yeah, we love it. I think I'm gonna get some coffee. What are you gonna get?
I'm just gonna use the restroom, maybe get some coffee.
Maybe. We're hungry. I think we're gonna eat, so Collins Street, here we come. So here we are, still on our way to where? Dallas. We just had a little bit of traffic because of this accident right here. Oh, what's this heart?
Oh man.
Wow, a little slick. Oof. Sorry about that, dude. Wow, that will really ruin your day there. Oh, I wonder if he's on his way to the RV show.
I don't think so.
Okay guys, we made it finally through the rain, through the wreck, through the everything, but we're here at the what?
Super Sale.
Alright, and here we go. Wow, you know it. Oh my gosh, we're in heaven. Oh, wow. Okay, so we found one that we're going to purchase today. This is going to be the pull-out pantry. What else is over there?
There's actually two.
Check out that refrigerator. Oh yeah.
I think it's on.
Ooh, wow, very nice. In the bedroom. Yeah, big screen, and then this is a diesel pusher here. Look at this bad boy.
Oh, there's a half bath.
Hey, we coming down there already? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's only $490,000. Oh, let's get a salesman. I'm gonna go ahead and pay for it. Okay, so we love this. All right, check out this. Beautiful, sleek. Man, crazy. This leather is just plush. It's kind of crazy. It's got a shower here across from the bathroom over here, and this bed. Oh, love it. A ton of room. Hey, Carrie.
Hey.
You love it?
It's awesome.
You know that's
I really
right.
like it. I'm surprised.
I'm kind of.
But I do like it.
This is what it is. Thousands of RVs behind me, and they have a seminar. I'm gonna sneak in there and just get a sneak peek at that.
Travel trailer This is the type that my daughter has, entry-level RV also. But it is it's not very secure, very cold in the wintertime.
Hey, this is Mark on the Art of RV, and I have this awesome guy here. His actual name is Race. Can you believe that, Race? What a name for an RV guy.
Hey, it's easy to remember.
Dude, it's awesome. And he's out here with Bot RV. And where y'all located?
We're in Fort Worth. We're just 4 miles east of downtown on Highway 121.
Dude, it's awesome. Okay, and behind us?
Oh man, this is something everybody in the world's got to see.
Look at this bad boy.
This is a little over 19-foot Passage 144 four-wheel drive, bad to the bone RV. This thing is flat black. It's got the Mickey Thompson tire package on it. You've got a roof rack and ladder on the top built up with LED lighting. You can walk around it. You can see it's all black. This thing is black, black, and black. You got the awning on the side of it with the LED light bar. You got outside TV, you got all the comforts you need. We'll step inside for just, as you come in, this thing is on a Mercedes chassis. It's got a 3.0 turbo V6. You can see the cameras up there. It's got cameras on the side and backwards. You can look at it all times. This thing has a built-in shower and toilet. And here's the good thing about it. You got an induction cooktop. You got a refrigerator down below here. And look at all the storage that you have right back here for traveling. You got a dirt bike, you got anything like that you can put down in here. You got a receiver on the back if you need to tow something. And then let me show you another great feature on this thing. So all you're going to do is hit your power button and drop your bed down. You still got a lot of storage that goes underneath. You got a roof, air conditioner. You got everything on this thing. It's got everything the big boy's got on it, except it's little bitty and it's 100% bad to the bone.
This is Lisa and Donna with the Escape Ease RV Club. Is that right? I enjoy. Now this lady right here, she can talk a little. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so anyway, I asked them some frequently asked questions. It's pretty awesome. So tell me, what is the Escape Ease RV Club? Who wants to answer that? Go ahead.
I'll take a stab at it. We're a total support network system for all RVers, whether you're full-time, part-time, or wannabe RVers.
Wow. What do you think? What is the Escape Ease RV Club to you? What is that?
To me, it's a club that takes your safety to a new level.
Yes.
We want you safe. We do that by education. We do that by seminars. We put all the information out there for you to live a healthy, happy, and safe RV lifestyle. Whether you're a weekend camper in a tent or whether you drive a $2 million bus, we want all of y'all in here with us.
Wow, she's good. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, so here we go. Now, I wanted to know what sets the Escape Ease RV Club apart from other RV clubs?
Go ahead.
Well, we have park discounts just like a lot of people do. But for the brand new RVer, we have a 3-day boot camp, very intensive seminars. It teaches you about tire safety, fire safety, maintenance, winterizing your vehicle, all the systems, electrical and plumbing in your RV, all the things that you may not know as a first new timer. And then we go, when you get to the point that you go full timing, we offer a mail forwarding service. The largest in the country.
Wow.
And when you get to the point where you are off the road, we have the only assisted living facility for the RVers where you get to live in your rig in one of our parks.
We'll take care of you.
That is so impressive. I love that. Is there any other people that do that? Do y'all know? Is there any other
Oh,
clubs
yes.
that do that?
Oh, no, we're the only ones in the whole world with the care center.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome, and I am totally impressed. Okay, another question. Okay, so how do people contact you? Just in case that they want to contact the Escapees, how do they contact you?
Well, our website is www.escapeease.com.
Nice. And being a visual artist like myself, there's an awesome movie on YouTube that we saw. What is the name of the movie?
Probably the Nomad Fest. Are you talking about the Nomad movie?
The Nomad movie. It is awesome. If y'all have not seen that, y'all need to go check that out. This is one friendly group here. I'm telling you, come in here. Get in. Let's get the whole group in here. Check it out. There we go.
Love for y'all to be a part of.
Y'all hug in there on each other, and we appreciate y'all. Thank you very much for having us.
Yeah,
Thank you. Okay.
We're tired. Our feet hurt. We're leaving.
This is crazy. This place is huge, man. We could really spend like 2 or 3 days in here. I mean, it is ginormous.
It is huge.
I mean,
Too
it's
much.
really big. The vendors were awesome.
Too much.
We went in a bunch of campers, and now,
Headed
yeah,
out.
headed out. We like what we have, but there's some things in here that we.
Can aspire to. Yeah. Get a loan for.
Yeah, hey, thanks a lot, man. And don't forget to subscribe to us, and don't forget to comment. Tell us what kind of campers you guys like, and we'll reply back. Okay, man, until next time.
Bye.
See ya. Okay, guys, so here we go. What does the Art of RVing, the RV show in Dallas, and earplugs have in common? Well, you see this dog right here? We have to take Oscar every single time to a place called Fur Babies, and we drop him off because we're going to spend a couple nights. And just like Dumb and Dumber, you are fixing to find out what the most annoying sound in the world is. Earplug in, blinker on, and here he goes. Oh yeah. There it is. That's earplugs right there, baby. That's experience. Crazy, isn't it? Hey, this is Mark with the Art of RVing. Hey, why don't you go subscribe? Wow. Oh, sorry about that. Go down, subscribe for us, and we appreciate you watching the Art of RVing. And until next time, earplugs, the RV show, the Art of RVing.